Are you struggling with accessing your router settings? You've come to the right place. In this guide, we'll dive into how to fix the TP-Link router login issue so that you can regain control and optimize your home network quickly and efficiently. We'll walk you through the necessary steps to troubleshoot common login problems and get you back on track. Step 1. Check your connections. First things first, make sure everything is properly connected. Verify that your TP-Link router is plugged into a power source and that all necessary cables are securely connected. Check that the Ethernet cable is snugly attached to your computer and the router. Additionally, ensure that your modem is properly connected to the router. A simple reconnection of these cables can often resolve minor connectivity issues. Step 2. Verify router's IP address. Next, you'll want to make sure that you're using the correct IP address to log into your TP-Link router. Usually, the default IP address is 192.168.0.1 or 192.168.1.1. Open a web browser and enter the IP address in the address bar. If you're unsure about the correct IP, consult the router's manual or check the label on the router itself. Sometimes a simple reset of the router can help refresh the IP settings. Step 3. Clear browser cache. A quick yet effective fix for login issues is clearing the browser's cache. When your browser's cache is full, it can cause issues with loading certain web pages, including the router's login page. Navigate to your browser settings and find the option to clear browsing data. Ensure that cache and cookies are selected, then proceed to clear them. Try accessing the router login page once. Step 4. Use default login credentials. If you're facing trouble logging in, you might be using incorrect login credentials. The default username and password for TP-Link routers are typically admin for both fields. Ensure that you're entering these credentials correctly, paying attention to any case sensitivity. If the default credentials fail, it's possible they were changed and you'll need to reset the router to restore default setting. Step 5. Reset the router. If none of the above steps resolve the issue, a full reset of the router might be necessary. To reset a TP-Link router, locate the reset button, usually a small pinhole button on the back of the router. Use a pointed object like a paperclip to press and hold the reset button for about 10 seconds. The router will reboot and you should be able to access it using the default login details. Step 6. Update router firmware. One potential hindrance to logging into your router could be outdated firmware. Check the TP-Link official website to see if there's a new firmware version available for your model. Download and install the latest firmware, following the on-screen instructions provided by TP. An updated firmware can solve numerous connectivity and login issues. Experiencing difficulties with your TP-Link router login can be frustrating, but following these steps will offer clear guidance on how to fix the TP-Link router login issue. From checking connections and verifying IP addresses to clearing cache and performing a reset, these troubleshooting tips should help you regain access to your router settings swiftly. Remember, keeping your router firmware updated ensures enhanced functionality and security. Now, get your router back in action and enjoy seamless connectivity.